Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, open the settings, then find and select accounts and backup, and now select manage accounts at the top of the list. So once you want to remove some account, just select it, select remove then, and mark remove account to confirm. Select OK. And provide your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you prefer. As you can see, it disappeared, it has been deleted. And now, if you want to add another account, or if you're adding a Google account for the first time, again, you need to open Accounts and Backup, go to Manage Accounts, select plus icon, and choose Google. Now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. And mark next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is added, tap on next. Here you can read all the terms of service, privacy policy and so on. Just by tapping you can get into details, then click on cross icon to close it and tap on I agree if you do agree, and actually you must agree to go further with this process. And now you can activate or deactivate backup however you like, then click on accept, and that's it, the account is added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.